Okay, very good morning, very good afternoon, my dear friends. So, Madam, today's research person, eminent personality, Dr. E. Madhuri Madam Garu, will going to explain about the harmful effects of the bacteria. So, yesterday, Madam has clearly explained about useful effects of the bacteria in the economic importance of the bacteria. Yesterday class, Madam has clearly explained about useful bacteria. Now, today, Madam will going to explain about aspects of the bacteria. Madam, please continue.
Sir, before starting the lecture, I would like to attend this comment by Sabiha Naz. She's writing,
Madam,
she want to attend microbiology lectures.
Definitely.
Okay, right. So, good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to learn about harmful aspects of bacteria. So, as we discussed yesterday, bacteria are doing like good things as well as bad things. Okay, so they are helping us in many ways as well as they are also causing some problems. So let us today focus on negative aspects of bacteria or harmful aspects of bacteria. First one is reduction in soil fertility by denitrifying bacteria. If we focus on yesterday's class, we have studied about nitrogen fixation, where the atmospheric nitrogen, that is N2 or N triple bond N, is being converted into nitrates or ammonia. Okay, that is increasing the soil fertility. And this aspect of denitrifying bacteria, they are converting the nitrates back into dinitrogen or N2. Okay, so this is the reverse reaction of nitrogen fixation. Okay, because as we discussed yesterday, plants are not able to absorb nitrogen in N2 form from the atmosphere. Though the content of nitrogen is higher in the atmosphere, the plants are not able to absorb this inert form, that is N2 form. That is why these bacteria, when they are converting it into nitrate or ammonia form, the plants are able to absorb these compounds. But these denitrifying bacteria, they are converting the nitrates back into nitrogen form or molecular nitrogen form, which is a problem that is reducing the soil fertility. And what are the microorganisms or bacteria involved in this process are thiobacillus denitrificans, micrococcus denitrificans, etc. Next. As students of plant sciences, you might have known about many diseases which are caused by bacteria. So first we'll look at blight disease of paddy. Here the bacteria are causing disease in paddy field or rice plants. Okay, and it is caused by Xanthomonas oryzae, and citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas axonopodis. Here the leaves and fruits, these symptoms we can see frequently whenever you find this lemon trees. And bacterial diseases in not only in plants also there are many diseases to list out, but here we have mentioned only 2-3. And not only plants, even in humans, the bacteria are causing problems like diphtheria, cholera, pneumonia. So what are the causative agents of these diseases? Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae, and pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. And bacteria causes food spoilage. So apart from causing diseases for plants, animals, humans, these bacteria, they are also responsible for food spoilage. Okay, why this food is getting spoiled? Because of the growth of unwanted bacteria, right? So when we can say the food is spoiled, when you see or observe the undesirable change in the food, means that undesirable change may be in the taste, maybe in the appearance, or color or smell, whatever, which is not acceptable by the consumer. That is called as food spoilage. Now, spoilage causes changes in the appearance of food. See, same point. And a large number of bacteria are responsible for spoilage of different kinds of foods. For example, vegetables and fruits are spoiled by Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Bacillus, etc. And cereals are spoiled by Micrococcus, Bacillus, Pseudomonas. And meat products are spoiled by Bacillus, Clostridium, E. coli, etc. And egg by Salmonella, Micrococcus, etc. And here poultry, again the same bacteria responsible for meat, and fish is spoiled by alkaligens, Micrococcus, etc. As well as processed foods. They are also uh, like the bacillus species. These can spoil the processed foods. And there is a difference between food spoilage and food poisoning. Okay, food spoilage means here the microorganism or the bacteria will grow in the food, and they will consume the food material, and they will cause some changes in the food. Whereas food poisoning means here some toxin is involved. Okay, food poisoning. The difference between food spoilage and food poisoning. Food poisoning involves the production of toxin by the bacteria. Okay, so the best example for food poisoning or food intoxication, another synonym for food poisoning is food intoxication, means toxin is produced here. So the best example is botulism. So this botulism is caused by a bacteria, Clostridium botulinum. It produces a neurotoxin, that is an exotoxin. Neurotoxin means it is a toxin which affects our nervous system. Neurotoxin is the toxin which affects our nervous system, which acts on our nervous system. And so when you consume such food which is affected by the Clostridium botulinum, and when where this neurotoxin is already produced in the food, if you consume such food, the person cannot survive for longer time because it is affecting our nervous system, and it spreads very fast to the brain, and there will be death in few hours. And next in food poisoning is salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is caused by a bacteria called Salmonella. Please mute, ma. Hajira. Please mute. Okay. So salmonellosis is caused by Salmonella, which uh, spoils eggs, meat, and poultry. So this was about food poisoning, which is also caused by bacteria. Next, this is the last aspect of harmful aspects of bacteria. Here we are discussing in brief about all the harmful aspects. So coming to the biowar, it is again, as I frequently say, whenever you want to understand the term, break the word. Here bio means life, war means okay. So a war done by using biological agents is called as biowar. Generally war is done by using guns, bombs, etc. But now the trend has changed. Now this biowar or bioterrorism has come into action. Okay, so the improved variety of infective agents, bioweapons, whatever they are using, the biological agents, they are called as bioweapons. And these are used to cause harm to opposite country or opposite person. Okay, when you want to kill any persons or any like people in larger number, they are using this bioweapons. Best example is Bacillus anthracis. If you just study about this biowar in detail, you will find many interesting facts which have happened in past history. Okay, this anthrax spores, they have um, sprinkled on the letters, and they have posted these letters to different places. So whoever have touched these letters, they have um, got killed by this anthrax disease. And Clostridium botulinum also, just now we have discussed about this toxin, which is very speed in its action, and it can kill the person very fastly. And I have previously given session on biowar also. So there are many ways by which this biowar is being operated, and there are some like conception like the COVID is also a biowar. Maybe we cannot say. So we have to be very careful, and everyone has to understand the bacteria or whatever microorganisms are there. They should be used in a positive way rather than negative way. So here we end our this topic of harmful aspects of bacteria. Hope you understood. Next, sir, how much time is left?
Yeah, madam, 30 minutes is there, no problem. Please, you proceed.
Okay.
Stop your screen, then only you have to proceed. Okay.